Greetings. In this video I will show you how to use simultaneous equation solver on Nspire, and we will be sketching the series, arithmetic series, on a graph screen. Here is the question that we will be working on. We are given sum of the first 16 terms of arithmetic sequence and U5. So let's write the formula. So we don't know U1, we don't know common difference, so it will be a simultaneous equation question. Let's rewrite the given information. U1 plus 4D is 8. Also, if we use the series formula, we can obtain the second equation. I'm not simplifying the equations. I will just enter these on Nspire. Go to calculator window, menu 3. Second option is system of linear equations. I will enter U1 and D here. So as I said, I'll be typing the exact equation as I just wrote on my paper. So I'll be using the fraction here, 16 over 2. After you type the equation, you will press enter. You'll be finding U1 and D respectively. For the second part, we have to write an inequality. As we discussed before, you can write as an equation but look for an integer solution. Or you can just type the series in the graph page and you can press Ctrl T to look for the values. Now we know U1 and D. So let's write the formula. I'll be entering this on the graph screen. Press Ctrl Home button or Ctrl I. Then menu, graph entry and sequence. We are looking for arithmetic series, but still it's a sequence. We will type the equation. Again, I'm not simplifying here either. 2U1 plus n minus 1D. First term of the sequence is also sum of the first term. So we will have this value. When we press Ctrl T, we will see set of values in the series. If we scroll down for 600, we will find the answer as 623, which is for n28. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.